Protecting your kids during online activities is crucial in today's digital world. Here are several effective strategies to ensure their safety while they explore the internet. Before we get started, we'd love to hear your thoughts. Leave your comments below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and follow us on LinkedIn at 247gigs.com and Instagram at 247gigs. For the latest updates, visit our website at 247gigs.com. 1. Set up parental controls. Use built-in tools. Most devices, operating systems, and apps have parental control features, for example, Apple's Screen Time, Google's Family Link, that allow you to set limits on screen time, restrict access to inappropriate content, and monitor usage. Content filters. Enable content filtering on web browsers, YouTube, and search engines to block harmful content. 2. Educate about online safety. Discuss the risks. Have open conversations about the dangers of the internet, including cyberbullying, inappropriate content, and the importance of protecting personal information. Teach responsible sharing. Make sure they understand the consequences of oversharing personal details, like their full name, address, or school, on social media or public websites. 3. Use family-friendly apps and websites. Choose apps, games, and websites that are designed for children and have strict safety standards. Many platforms offer child-safe versions or features, for example, YouTube Kids, kid-friendly educational apps. 4. Set time limits and monitor screen time. Limit screen time, set daily or weekly time limits for online activities, and ensure that screen time doesn't interfere with homework, outdoor play, or family time. Use apps for monitoring. Tools like Bark or Custodio can help track online activities and monitor social media interactions, including messaging. 5. Protect personal information. Teach privacy settings. Guide them to adjust privacy settings on social media platforms and apps, ensuring only trusted friends and family can access their profiles and posts. Avoid online sharing. Advise them to never share passwords, personal information, or financial details online without parental consent. 6. Encourage safe communication. Monitor communication. Keep an eye on the platforms your children use to communicate, such as messaging apps, social media, or gaming platforms. Discuss online relationships. Teach your kids to never meet strangers in person, even if they seem friendly online, and to report any suspicious or harmful interactions. 7. Set a safe digital example. Be a role model. Lead by example by practicing safe online behaviors yourself. Show them how to protect privacy and use the internet responsibly. Respect digital boundaries. Set rules about when and where screen time is appropriate. For example, no devices at the dinner table or late at night. 8. Regularly review their online activities. Talk frequently. Make it a habit to check in with your kids about their online experiences, the apps they're using, and the people they're interacting with. Know their passwords. Ensure you have access to their devices and accounts to monitor activities and change passwords if necessary. 9. Use secure Wi-Fi networks. Enable encryption. Set up your home Wi-Fi network with WPA3 encryption and use strong, unique passwords to prevent unauthorized access. Monitor network activity. Tools like Circle with Disney allow you to monitor and manage the devices connected to your network. 10. Report and block inappropriate content. Report issues. Encourage your child to report any inappropriate content, cyberbullying, or suspicious behavior they encounter. Most platforms offer reporting tools. Block harmful users. Teach them how to block individuals who make them feel uncomfortable or engage in negative behavior online. By combining education, communication, and technological tools, you can create a safer online environment for your kids. The key is to stay involved in their digital lives while empowering them to make safe and responsible choices. Would you like recommendations on specific tools or apps for online safety? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Leave your comments below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and follow us on LinkedIn at 247gigs.com and Instagram at 247gigs. For the latest updates, visit our website at 247gigs.com.